see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Yeah, that's what I thought. It'd be something like that. 5.
So, ito yung before. Yes. We just came back from the mount. Kumuha kami nito sa spotlight. Cortina para dun sa... Dun. Yeah?
You just get towed.
I got another one.
What's that, Zach?
So, ayan yung aming gagawin dito sa shed. Sinukat niya na yung ano, yung length and width nung ating kitchen cabinet. Kitchen cabinet. Nice.
Leave that covered.
Yes, just perfect, babe. Yeah. And matches to the wall. Bilisan ako sa Timo or sa Shein. Sabi niya, punta tayo ng spotlight. Alam mo na ito, gusto niya yung pag naisip niya dapat, ano, tingin na siya agad dyan sa ano kung meron man. Hindi siya maghintay sa Timo or sa Shein. Buti na lang kasi hindi rin namin alam kung okay yung sa Shein. $20 ang isa. So, ito yung stretchy wire. Yan yung ilalagay natin dyan para sa cortina. Yeah, stretch. Huh. Para malinis tingnan. Diba? Kasi pag ganyan lang, open na open. So, kung may cortina, malinis tingnan. So, lalagyan ito niya dyan ng hook. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong eksaktong pangalan. Basta ganyan. Ito. Lalagyan niya dyan sa butas. So, ayan na. Nagawa niya na yung isa dito sa dulo. Ito naman yung next.
There's nothing wrong with that. Tripping, yeah, we all lose track. I wouldn't mind it if I find it. There's nothing wrong with that.
na napamili sa Coles and Woolies. Yung iba. Ayan, dami nating veg. And sa Asian store din kumuha ko ng mga gulay-gulay. And mag-spring rolls ulit ako. Ayan, meron tayo ditong piprituin pero mag-spring rolls ako na chicken. So, yan guys. It's melted already.
That was quick. That must be. That means it's very, very hot. Zach, she already dipped it in the thing and it already melted.
Yeah, Mum.
It already melted.
It's gone.
It's not bad.
But Holly, undo it first.
We're gonna put them in there. Do you want me to put that over there? These are all our, well, they're not all our Easter chocolate eggs. We can do two.
Hey, hey. Okay. Alright.
Alright, put it on.
That smells good already.
Mm-hmm.
I'll put that in. And this one.
Oh my God, stop. You're weird.
Tata, you dip your strawberry in.
Hoy! Hot, ha, hot.
It's not hot.
Ginawa na nila tong ano.
It's good.
Ako, ginawa niya na talagang chocolate fondue to. It's hot baba.
Fondue. Chocolate fondue. How'd you do that?
Holly, ready to go find Limbo?
Kanina ka pa dyan.
It used to be dark. Now it's because of milk. Not the milk, the chocolate milk.
Yeah, we have to eat sinigang pa ba? No, baba.
Not eight now,
Yeah, soon. I'm just gonna finish this
but when
one.
it's ready,
Yeah,
what's that for?
this is the spinach.
Oh, I ate
Philippine.
that.
Yeah, Filipino version.
Oh, that's better than the Australian.
Water spinach, huh?
Better than the Australian.
Gusto.
No, that one, I don't know. It just doesn't taste good.
What?
Spinach.
Which one? The Australian one?
Do you like? It starts with a C.
Celery?
Celery. Do you like celery?
Yeah.
No, it's sour.
Oh, no, it's sour.
Spicy? No, it's not spicy. It just has a tingle in my mouth that does not taste good.
Yeah. Dessert, dinner, and nuki mushroom. Ito pala yung dinner namin. Sinigang na baboy na may totoong gabi and sili. Wala lang okra kasi wala sa Asian store. And fried na inuki. And ang dessert is champorado. Ayan. Meron pa dito. Hindi na kasi kasya doon. Ayan. Meron pang inuki. Gustong gusto ni Sap. And mamaya isusurprise ko si Kuya. Kasi akala niya, yung in-order ko sa kanya, next week pa darating. Eh, pagpunta ko sa post office, nandun na. So, mamaya ipakita ko kay Kuya. Para madala niya bukas. Kasi bukas, merong laro si Kuya sa Adelaide. Ayan, yan ang dinner namin.
Thanks, Mum.
Welcome.
Warm it up then. What's good? That's good, Mum. Thanks. Yes. Thanks, Mum.
You're welcome.
Right, hopefully they fit.
Ayan yung hinihintay ni Kuya.
The one in the Adelaide.
That's
Sure
right.
they fit.
Hope so. Birkenstock.
That is not fitting.
Well, oh yeah, it's too big for your sock.
Why'd you get a 42?
Show me.
Mine's fine. See?
Yeah, Kuya, it's alright.
Try mine, go.
This is probably too small. Yeah,
Right.
this is too small.
That's a perfect size.
A perfect size
No,
for you.
You have to have a perfect size.
Tingnan mo yun na
Yeah.
naman.
Yeah.
You like it?
But they're a bit.
Which one you think?
Those are the.
It has to be perfect size, Kuya.
Oh.
And the sock,
Not for me though,
not for you.
is it?
Well, you're the one choose the
When
size.
I thought they were coming on the.
I know that's what I thought, but it came early. Anak, turn off the close the door there, please, Holly. Pardon me.
No, they're fine.
Well, can you put the belt?
Why? I'm not
What?
waiting.
Until you go into.
Which one is your size, Kuya? 40? 42?
Yeah, no, 43 is meant to be with a big.
Oh, so you want the 42. Saki got the 42. You got the 43. So, which one? Kay sa akin yung nagkasya. Malaki kaysa. Yung kay Kuya naman medyo malaki.
Oh,
It's big, Kuya. So, you should get
So what am I going to do?
the other
I knew
one.
I should have got a smaller size.
Well, you should have.
No, but
Yeah, it's too big.
it's too big.
It's long. Kasi nagmamadali siya. Sabi ko nang bili kami, yung sukatin nila ayaw online.
They're massive.
that is too tough.
So, you're gonna
No,
bring
they're
that tomorrow,
mine.
Kuya?
No, they're mine.
No, it's not
No,
fit you.
they're mine.
It doesn't fit your sock. Let me see,
Sorry,
Kuya.
you're
That's
gonna
perfect,
give me a
Kuya.
Yeah.
Gonna
Let me
get
see.
A new pair then.
You sure?
Gonna get me a new pair.
Oh, that's perfect,
No,
Kuya.
good. Because now.
Kasi ito gaya-gaya to
Alright,
eh.
get me a new one, please.
No.
Just keep them and just wait
I'm
till
not keeping them. Why don't you keep them? Because they fit these. No, you keep these.
Where's your bag, Kuya, for tomorrow? For Adelaide. You have to get up early tomorrow. 5:20 you have to get up tomorrow. Are you still gonna have a shower tomorrow? Yeah. Naligo na yan, oh. Naligo na sila. Ito din naligo
They're
na.
mine.
No.
They're not.
They're mine. I ordered
Yeah,
them.
but it doesn't fit you,
It
sa.
doesn't matter.
You're
I
gonna
can
get
still
new
grow.
ones.
No.
Tingnan nyo na.
They mold into your feet and then.
Alright, guys.
Yeah, but I'm
See you
not
next
gonna wear
time.
them, so I'm just gonna use them.
Good luck, Kuya, tomorrow.
Without them, you're using them.
Ang laki ng paa nila.
Look in
Ito yung 42, right? This is your sock, 42. Si Kuya, 43. Tama-tama lang yung kay Kuya, yung 43. Ito, kasya din kay Kuya. Pero yan.
Oh, that's really.
Ito.
Bounce Mama.
No. See, it's too big.
No.
I thought you were getting a different one.
If it was skinnier, then it'd be fine.
No,
But it's
not.
not.
Anyway. Saan sila, Kuya? Good luck. We're just waiting for Daddy. Alis na siya, guys. Ayan yung bag niya. Pa-Adelaide. Ihatid siya ni Jen sa teammate niya. Sa mga magbaba sila. Nice slippers, Yani.
Where did we get picked up from?
Dagong ligo rin siya. Saan tayo going
What
yan?
car are we taking? Is that why you took the mountain? I already got. How have I not got it? Oh yeah.
May papaon.
I have to take this back because I didn't find my sleeping bag, and it didn't fit in the other.
Good luck, Kuya. Good luck. Love you. Love you. Bye. Okay, Spicy. Balik na ako sa puto. Good luck, yeah. Love you. Oh! It's you. Where's Kuya? Nag-training pala siya today. Oh, Daddy just getting him. How did you go? Oh,
Which one?
This one.
Where? Which side?
dito na si
Can't
Kakararating niya
really
lang.
see it, but
Yeah, well, that's
Today
where we've
is
got to see.
Tuesday. So,
It's
kapan
not
yung,
brown.
Turn around the other way. The other, give me the other ankle.
kapan yung laro niya tsaka kanina. How did you go, Kuya?
So up here, like in here.
yeah,
There.
don't.
I'm not. I just grabbed it.
Freaking hell.
How how'd you go, Riz?
How did you go?
Do.
What did... Tell us what happened there.
Which one's Holly's?
No, that's Zachary. It's
That's
alright.
actually right.
Keep
Ah, may sakit si Holly. How did you go?
3 goals.
Wow! Did you win?
Yeah,
How many goals?
50 points.
50 points. Huh?
Here it comes.
Lalagyan siya ng ice. Kasi... What is that?
Woo!
Too spicy?
Yeah.
What's it do, babe?
Wow, they want the budak. Bumilaw ng budak, guys. Sa grocery pala ako. Ayan yung mga...
I like half beer.
Bukas gagamitin ko yan, but ayan yung ibang mga
It's
napamili.
so good though.
It's so good.
Figure it out.
Hoy, Zach! Your aunties.
Yeah, please.
You done well? You done well?
So I deserve to find it.
Not now.
So what about the other days?
Naibalik ko na yung PS kasi ano ngayon,
Say exactly.
school holiday.
I'll tell
So
her.
yung PS,
Tell her that.
Mom.
well, actually nahanap nila yung tinatago ko.
Take that so I can put some ice
Tinatago
on it.
ko.
Got to lay
Pero-
down.
Did he
Lagyan
win?
ni Jan ng ice yung kanyang
Did you win, Jan?
Yeah, I
uncle.
did better than you.
Maybe because I didn't play him.
So what's the coach said to you, Yan? Good. Ganun lang siya. Alright, guys. Nag-edit ako. Naghanap din ako ng music. Para hindi mamaga yung paa ni Kuya. The Ruskin Daddy. First aid. How many goals siya?
Hear me when I say let's make a night to remember. Let's celebrate from now till forever. This time we'll make a night to remind us we only have one life, gotta live it out loud. In another time, in another place, we could be lovers that can be replaced. But I still believe this time we got something, something. We paper.
Good afternoon, guys. Hapon na. Unbox ko lang to sa inyo. Then, mamaya, alis kami ni Johnny Boy. Hindi ko alam kung sasama si Holly. But, alis kami. Unbox ko lang to sa inyo. So, yung vlog ko at pa konti-konti sa araw-araw na ganap. Or hindi nga araw-araw. Pag mayroon lang ganap at saka ganito, may unbox ako sa inyo. From Kmart. Nag-order tayo nito online. Dalawang art and craft caddy. Yan. So, dito ilalagay ni Holly yung kanyang mga pencils, pen, and dito ilalagay ko to dun sa bathroom para sa skincare. Para pag
I'm gonna leave a ladder.
have,
darling.
have a shower na. For Holly's pen and Dexter. Holly, yeah. Are you gonna have a shower na? Why? And si Zach supposed to be magra-ride siya ng bike, kaso ang pangit ng weather. It's windy.
What's that?
This is for your pencils, textures. So you don't put everywhere. Kasi yung kanya, nasa nasa pencil case. Pero minsan, kung saan-saan niya nilalagay. So, I don't wanna see any pencils or texture everywhere of this house, okay? And, yeah. Are you coming? Are you coming, Zach? No? You're staying here? How about you, Baba? Are you coming? Sama siya. And si it's not pencil. And si Kuya, mayroong training. Dapat, kaso hindi pwede kasi nga injured yung kanya. No, I'm gonna have this one. So, binili ko dalawa dahil hindi ka pwede magpili ng ng kung anong kulay. So, ang gusto ko makuha, eto. So, yun, na lang yun. Parang randomly kasi kung anong kulay daw. So, kinuha ko na lang dalawa para meron akong each. Kasi hindi raw alam ko anong may papadala sa amin. Walang choices sa akin, walang choices na ititik na etong kulay ang gusto ko. So, ayan. Gusto sana ni Holly, pero hindi ba? Sorry. Yun nga, si Kuya may training dapat ngayon, pero hindi siya makapag-training kasi naglilimping siya. Masakit yung kanyang paa. And then si Zach mamaya may... What? Water? What? What? Medicine? What? Hoy, speak! Ayan, This one, it's okay here. Ito yung nabili sa Pinas. Tingnan mo na dito.
Thanks, Mom.
We still have the chicken noodles. Meron kong sopas. Yun yung dinner namin kagabi. Sopas. And then, meron akong babalutin na spring rolls. Toge. Kahapon, hindi ako nag-vlog. Inisa-isa ko siyang tanggalin yung root. As in, kung 100 or 2,000 pieces yun, 2,000 pieces din akong ganun. Yun lang, mahirap siyang nakakatamad gawin. Kaya bira kong gawin ang toge. Kasi tinatanggal ko talaga yung root.
Would this fit two again?
Hoy, no.
No, take that.
No, it's not gonna fit. Just put in the bowl and then that's not for this.
No.
No, you don't put that in the microwave. Yeah, for the hot water. No. Ilalagay niyo yung manipis na glass saan. Get the mug.
That's why I use this one
No.
for.
We have a big mug. We have the big one, the bunny one. The white one.
Will that fit two of them?
I don't know.
Yeah, I'll just use this one.
So, ayan. And then, remove all pencils that you don't use. Like, just put the one you use. Okay?
And this old.
No, you don't. No, you don't. You don't use all of them. Kasi ang dami. Ayan. And then, meron pa siya dito. So, yun. Baba, this one, you don't have to put this one. Well, it's empty. Then put it in the bin. You don't put, or for traveling, put that one here. And you just put, I told you, just put the one you need. You don't have to put everything. Yan, dami, Dami. And I don't want this one here. Okay. This is only for pencil and textures. Okay, so si Zach, meron siyang training. Ita-drop off namin siya, or si John. Si Holly, ako na pala mag-drop off kasi si Holly may training din. Then, yeah, so walang mount training ngayon kasi si Kuya doon nag-training.
If they were.
Okay, alright guys. Zach, stop. Alright, ang gulo.
Oh,
And yung gamit kong, nag-concealer lang ako sa melasma ko guys. And then yung gamit ko yung Kai Heart. Tapos yung skincare ko na Korean na available sa aking live selling. Pero ako makakaubos kasi hindi pa ako nagla-live selling. So, yan siya, oh. Diba? Glass skin lang talaga siya, oh. Glass skin.
I don't like mugs. When you tip it, it goes behind.
I'll do it. Come here, say hi
No,
to
I
my
know
vlog.
how to do it.
Come on, say hi to my vlog. I asked you before, what did I ask you? Come
Do
here.
I have my wrinkles?
Come here. Say ko, do I have wrinkles, ah?
I said no.
I said, no, wala pa. Hopefully, wag muna.
But I only said that to make you happy.
Oh my God.
No, I'm joking.
To make me happy.
No, I'm joking.
So, ganun niya
No,
ako
I don't
asal.
think that. I don't think.
You know?
Actually, no. Like small ones.
Yeah, it's alright. It's normal. It's small. Meron ako yan, yung 11. Kaya hindi ako masyadong,
Cover it out then.
hindi ako gumagano yung kumulot ng noo. Kasi doon talaga tayo magkakaroon ng wrinkles. So, hopefully, pero normal naman yung may wrinkles, pero sa ngayon, wala pa siya. Sana, oopsie, it's alright. Ay, ang sarap ng ang sarap ng dinner namin kagabi. Yung macaroni. Pero yung ginawa ko yung isa, hindi macaroni, yung shell na style na noodles. So, okay guys, mamaya na. 7 minutes na agad to. Chine-check niya yung kanyang mga textures, kung nag-work pa. Para yung hindi na nag-work, tatanggalin niya na. Guys, na-organize ko na yung aking mga skincare dito. So, madali ang lang. Oh. Kung gusto ko sa labas mag-skincare, isang dampot lang. And ito lang naman na mga brushes yung ginagamit ko. And nandito yung aking mga serum, and yung mist, and yung Riddle shot, then more serum, and my current favorite na sunscreen and glow milk ng Laxo. So, yes, ang ganda niya guys. Available din to sa akin live selling, pero hindi pa ako nagla-live. So, ako munang gumagamit. Then, ito yung ginagamit ko dun sa glow milk. Yung ating brush from Tibian. And ito sa blush. And concealer. Dalawa yung ginagamit kong brush sa concealer. And ito sa buhok ko to para sa aking pag may spot ako nakikita, naglalagay akong Civech. Yung shadow keme. So, yan. Dito ko lang din yan nilalagay. And, yes! We're going! Oh, alis na kami. And, brushes. Madami kayong brushes. Kasi si Holly maarte siya sa kanyang, buhok. Marami siyang orasyon. And meron pa dito. Are you coming?
No, love you.
Okay. Love you. Dito na pala ako sa town. Nagbe-wave si Holly. Andun si Holly. Andun siya. Hindi niya makita. So, dalawang car yung dala namin kasi yung isang car namin may service today. So, syempre, kailangan ni Jan na may magdadrive din sa kanya. Kasi meron din siyang appointment sa kanyang back, sa cardio niya. And, we'll see kung ma-pick up namin yung car today pag okay na ang lahat. Ayusin ko lang dito kasi upo dito si Johnny Boy. Gloomy. Si Sak dapat magra-ride siya ng bike sa bay. Kaso nga, windy. So, hindi na siya natuloy. Pero mamaya, may training pa rin siya. Si Kuya wala. Sila lang ni Holly. Baba tayo. Kasi ayusin ko yung isang side. Saan upo si Johnny Boy? Buti na lang mo parking dito sa side ng road. Okay. Ano na. Ayusin lang natin ang kalat. Siya pa rin magdadrive. Ako ang passenger. Akala ko ako ang magdadrive sa kanya. Can we go to Asian store, Han? Please. So, punta ulit ako sa Asian store. May titingnan lang ako. And sabihin ko dun sa... May Pilipina kasing nagbabantay
I've
doon.
got the sale bag.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, it was on.
Oh. Yung kalamansi, meron daw siyang kilalang nagtitindang kalamansi. Sabi ko, bibili ako pero hindi niya alam kung kailan yung mga pwedeng makuha. So sabihin ko, pwede ako sa Tuesday. Kasi sa Tuesday, ano bang gagawin ko sa Tuesday? Meron din akong pipick upin sa Drake's na may pinakat ako sa kanilang pork cup. Yung pork cup kasi gusto ko siyang paksiwin, kaso malaki siya. And dito sa ano nila, sa shop nila, hindi sila nagka-cut. So sabi niya sa akin, pwede ako mag-order para i-cut doon sa kanilang main, ewan ko saan, sa butcher nila. So yun palang gagawin ko sa Tuesday. So para ma-pick up ko na rin yung kalamansi. Kasi gusto kong mag pork steak or beef steak. Meron akong kalamansi, yung concentrated. Pero kung merong fresh, why not? Di ba? Mas masarap yun. Tapos isama natin, pigain yung ano, yung balat. Ay, sarap. Hi! May bago? Ay, meron daw bago. Anong ba? Wala naman. Ito yung nung isang araw din. And kumuha akong papaya kasi gusto kong gumawa ng... Yung kapatid ko kasi nag-grill siya na kumakain ng Ilocos empanada. Ay, ito yung radish. Pero hindi ko siya kailangan ngayon. Kuha tayo ng hotdog kasi matagal na hindi nakakapag-hotdog ng mga bata. Walang pure foods. Walang pure foods. Pure foods ang gusto nila eh. Ay, ayan. Kuha ko nito. Dalawa kasi school holiday, so pwede sila mag-almusal ng hotdog. Hindi nagmamadali. Baka next year.
Lagi pa. Kasi pag ganitong season, doon kami
Pag school holiday.
Oo, doon kami nag-hike.
Ay, iniwasan ko to. Hindi ko rin napigyan ko. Pero ilang beses na ako pumunta dito, hindi ako kumukuha. But today, kuha tayo. Kuha din tayo nito. Dito na kami sa karyo ni Johnny Boy. Hintayin namin siya. How long, babe?
Huh?
How long?
10 minutes.
No, 10 minutes I'll go in.
Oh, honest. But how long it will take?
10
No,
minutes.
10 minutes if she's on schedule.
Yeah, mabilis lang.
Doesn't take long.
Yeah, mabilis lang pero ang mahal.
What's she doing? Remember how she does it, Bob? How'd you do it to me?
Remember when you were little, you're shy to daddy?
No.
You forgot.
How do you
No, she, like that.
Yeah, ganun-ganun lang pero ang mahal.
Yeah, and then in the back, remember? 2. One there. One at the head,
Imagine,
one in the back.
lagi na pumupunta dito si Jan. Simulan nung
Remember she used to do
nandito
that?
na ako. Tapos si TJ nung maliit pa newborn or mga ilang days pa lang,
Okay.
dinala na namin dito para yung spine, mga ganun-ganun. Tapos ako, hindi naman to ginagawa sa amin. Tapos nung nalaman ko yung precious ko, tapos saglit lang ko, hindi ko, tinigil ko na si TJ. Only TJ went here, honey. When he was twice. Twice or 3 times. How many days or just few weeks just to align the spine. Tapos nalaman kong gano'n yung hindi na. Kasi sa atin hindi naman, di ba? At saka okay naman si TJ. Parang most of kids like yung kaibigan niya sila Kylie, si Kobe din dito rin siya lagi. Nung bata, sila nagsabi na ganun daw dapat ang gawin. So, sumunod din naman tong isa. Stop. Kasi siya lagi naman siya nandito. Tapos ako, sabi ko, wala naman. Kasi parang pindot-pindot lang. O hindi ko kasi kailangan. Parang, parang, wala lang, relax lang. Pero okay lang naman ako. Si Jan lagi. Kasi syempre, yung trabaho niya, mabigat. Kaya, bugbog yung katawan niya. So, pwede yun sa kanya. Pero sa akin, okay lang naman. Yun na, kwento ko lang sa inyo. Meron din pala kami ditong, Kmart ulit na in-order ko. I-unbox niya daw.
I'm excited.
Wala to dito sa, sa shop. Sa, nila, physical store.
Only you can buy it
Online. I hope this is the one.
Hey, is this the one I got? What is that?
No, this is not yours now. Eto, kumuha ako nito. Kasi paglalagyan ko ng
Oh, you got yellow stuff in it. the sticky stuff. But you got two.
Yeah, the other one is for our, oh, why is this?
Because it's like sticky.
Yung mga ano ba, yung aking, dalawa yung kinuha ko kasi. Yung
Right,
boys, sa boys pag nagbi-beach kami, yung mga towels nila dito ilalagay. And
It smells like,
rubber.
no, not rubber.
Ano? What's the smell?
What's that thing called? It's you can eat it.
No. Okay. Tapos yung isa, dalawang
I can't.
itong kulay. Meron pa akong in order ata. Wala pa.
What one did I get again?
The mini one.
Yeah,
Kasi
what
dadal
color?
I think a bit brown. The mini one yung in order niya.
Cherry. Was it cherry? No.
No. So dito ilalagay ko yung aking mga shopping bags. Organizer siya.
Oh yeah. But why do you have two?
This is for the if we go to the beach, the towels and 'di ba? Ayan.
Sunscreen.
Sunscreen. So ilalagay
Can I just-
I'm just gonna put that at the back of the car. So sa car lang 'yan. Tapos eto din mamaya pag uwi ko sa bahay, ilalagay ko dito yung ano.
I thought it was mine.
Yeah, you get the mini one. Ilalagay ko dito yung yun nga, yung mga shopping bags. Para isang ganun lang. Para organize siya. Alright? Okay, put it there, Baba. Kain tayo nito. Hindi pa ako kumakain. Wala pa tayong kain. Gusto ko sana mag-sopas. Kaso nga, ginaya naman tayo ni Johnny. 2:14. Ito pa lang kakainin ko ngayon. This is the sweet butter flavor. Masarap yung condensed.
Condensed is my favorite.
Ngay ko lang. Mas masarap yung condensed.
You said 10 minutes.
It was 10 minutes long.
No, that was not.
Oh,
It's like 20
I went in
minutes.
there early.
Nagbe-break to ng rules. Kmart daw. Kmart sila. What you got? What you
I
got?
have to pay for Dad. We got
You get this one.
yeah.
Ito ang kinuha nila. Oh. What's this? A fridge? Who pay your money?
Yeah, and for his.
Wow, you pay for daddy. May pera kasi yan. Ang daming pera niya. Silang, si kuya, si Sarah madami. Dami nilang cash. Talo pa nila ako. Chocolate. So it's not supposed to be your eating. Hindi na siya makapaghintay. Gusto niya nang buksan. And put that in the bin, Baba. There's a bin there next to it.
That's what I cover.
What?
Looks nice.
What's inside?
It's got a fridge, freezer.
It's like Mom Dad's.
Any car?
That's a mini fridge niya. What you gonna put?
No, there's like stuff. So can I have the camera?
It's gonna be flat, Baba. Look. I hold it.
So first we wait. I got the oil
Malulobot na.
is and the fridge. Okay. Then we got the food items and stuff. It's one of the lollipop things I've seen. That's so cute.
It's the
It's supposed to be mini because it's mini brands. And then we got.
You know what? You got all that little stuff from Kohl's, remember?
Yeah, but I can put that in the fridge. Okay, and then we got. Hold on. You can actually use that. It's like honey, but it's gel. Oh, and we also got a little thing can open.
That's okay. Thanks for your acknowledgement.
And then now I just gotta and for the eyes. Dad, look, I got a shuffle for my eyes.
For your eyes, for the...
So, thanks guys.
That's all?
Yep.
Or phone's ringing.
Who is it?
I don't know, honey. Ito na ulit kami kung saan niya drop off yung car.
Yellow.
Pipick upin niya na, tapos ako na magdadala. Nakauwi na pa kayo ng bahay. Nakapag-change na siya. Napick up ko na si Sak, kasi training. Si Jan nasa town pa kasi iniintay niya yung car.
Say, Mum.
See ya. Love you. Daddy will pick you up. Love you. Daddy will, okay. See ya. Pick up sila ni Daddy para gusto ko kasi magluto ng pinakbet. So, si Jan ang bala sa kanila. Uwi na ako para makapagluto. And i-charge ko din kayo. So, yun na guys. Update ko na lang kayo sa dinner namin. Hi guys, kararating ko lang. Ako nag-pick up kay Holly. Diba sabi ko sa inyo si Jan? Hindi. Ako nag-pick up si Jan kay Sak. And sabi ko sa inyo magpapakbit ako. Hindi ako nakapagpakbit. Itong ginagawa ko yung chicken na spring rolls. Tapos si Johnny Boy, meron siyang mga binili sa butcher na schnitzel beef. So, ilan pa? 1, 2, 3, 4. Pag hiwa-hiwalayin ko to kasi ipi-freezer ko. Tapos meron ditong chicken kasi yung mga bata mas gusto nila ang chicken kaysa beef. Si Jan lang naman mahilig sa beef. Tapos ito yung dinner nila tonight. Rissoles. And nagpapakulo na ako ng patatas. And filet mignon. Oh, wow. Mayroon kayong filet mignon. Yung ano to guys, yung beef na nirap niya sa, yung beef nakarap sa bacon. Tapos may sauce. And more, ano to? Chops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nag-request akong chops. So yan, ang binili ni Jan. Late niya na nakuha yung car. Naghintay pa siyang matagal doon. Kaya tinawagan niya ako na ako nila mag-pick up kay Holly. Tapos siya kay Zach. Kasi si Jan, dinafok niya to. Pumunta siya sa farm. Okay, magluto na ako guys. Yeah. And siya, busy na siya doon. Oh. Kausap ko si, nanonood ba kayo guys ng reels nito? Ni Divine? Ni... Ano na to guys, laging nagre-reels. Sila ni Papa. Ang ating skin, oh. Ayan siya. What are you doing?
It's making jello.
Jello. Ayan. Ini-enjoy niya yung graph niya. Okay, guys. See ya. Sila.
I've already put butter in there.
Look at that, Dad.
So, ito na yung rissoles. Tapos meron pa akong sausages na niluto. Tsaka yung gravy nasa oven na.
Right, here we go.
Microwave.
What?
The gravy.
Did I take a mouthful?
That'll be ready now, though.
Yeah.
What have you been stirring?
That one.
You should use pork,
I know,
though.
but this is alright.
Yeah, I will.
Ayan yung dinner nila. Ako yung sauce. Kasi, hindi na ako mahilig sa
So you use a
ganito.
fork, but it's thin.
Yeah. I just put
So
the
good.
water, huh?
I think just a little bit.
You put water in that. Yeah, you do.
Just a little bit. And keep just like, whoa,
It's
too
alright,
much.
it's alright. Just, ako na.
I'll do it.
Okay. Good, but...
Let him do it.
I think you went a bit overboard.
No, it's not.
Oh, Dad.
That's alright. Count
Slow
on that.
and steady when you survive.
Kuya, so, Baba, you want rice or mashed potato?
Mashed potato. photo. Pretty, please.
Side scratch you. How many you want here, hon?
Fella.
2 and 2. Thanks for now.
I want 1 and 1 for that, please. That'd be nice.
Veggies bag?
Yes, babe. Yeah, that's
Hot, 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 hot.
No.
You baba mash?
Mashed potatoes. I'll tell you when to stop. Okay. Nope. Perfect.
What do you want?
1 sausage
Please?
and 1 hamburger, please. Please. There you go. And okay, let's go. Save some for Quiza.
Okay, here. Alright, guys. And ako.
Dad,
Hey,
and
what?
sopas. What? What?
What, gravy?
Gravy? Yes, you have to have gravy. Saccharin.
Zach! TJ!